I write to you. No more confession is needed, nothing left to tell. I know it's knowing your discretion we scorn to make my world a hell. But if you keep some faint impression of pity for my wretched state, you'll never leave me to my fate. At first, I thought it out of season. To speak, believe me, of my shame, you'd not so much as know the name. If I'd possessed the slightest reason to hope that even once a week I might have seen you, heard you speak on visit to us and in greeting. I might have said a word, and then thought day and night, and thought again about one thing, till our next meeting. But you're not sociable, they say. You find the country God-forsaken, though we don't shine in any way. Our joy in you is warm taken.